Bunny ear headband tutorial. Pair and tie blue and white balloons together. The blue balloon is twisted into 2 single bubbles to form a double ear tie. A double ear tie. Make a 7-finger single bubble with the white balloon. Fold it over and make another bubble of the same size. 2 single bubbles intertwine with each other. A blue balloon wrapped around a white balloon to form a loop. Wrap around the ear tie securely. Seal off the white balloon. Tie a tight knot. Set aside for later use. Continue twisting a single bubble around 4 fingers. Twist 2 single bubbles to form a double ear tie. A white balloon is tied to the ear knot. A 7-finger width single bubble. Fold it over and make a 7-finger wide single bubble. Wrap it around the ear knot. Then, wrap another layer with blue balloons to create a loop bubble. Wrap and secure. The blue balloon deflates. Wrap the excess latex around the ear knot. Deflating a white balloon. Trim the excess balloon tail. Take another blue balloon and secure it to the ear knot. Find the right spot to lock the air. Wrapping around the double ear knot. Release the excess air. Trim the neck of the balloon. Adjust the balloon into shape and you have a bunny ear headband.